Hello everyone, welcome to Strive Grid. Today we will be looking at how to remove background in Canva. So to remove the background we require some kind of an image. So let's search for something which is photos, and let's grab this one, or let's grab this one. For example, I'll remove this logo from here and I'll expand the image just for the sake of it. Now Canva background removal is not free. It requires you to have a premium subscription. As you can see, when I select the picture, you get certain options at the top, out of which background remover, which is BG remover, and it has a crown beside it which indicates that it's a premium feature, and you just have to click on it and it vanishes. It is perfect given the picture is simple enough, but as you can see, you still have the shades and you still have this part over here, which is this one. It has not been removed. So it normally does the job 95% of the time perfectly. It is just that if the image is too complex, it won't work. Let's try it on this one. Not this one, but yeah, the actual image here. This should be pretty easy for it. So I'll click again, but it does so much faster. So now you have a completely background free image, because the background was not that complex. In this case the background was quite complex. That's the reason it cannot remove, or it missed this part. So that's it. This is how background is removed. Yes, it requires a premium subscription. Thank you for watching.